Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on RHEL 9. Okay, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. First open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it, then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version, you have to click on this archives. There you will find all older versions. Select it. Then select the operating system Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Then select the worst version. See here we have the versions from 7 to 9. So I am on RHEL 9. So select RHEL 9 x86 64-bit. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Okay, once download completes, we will extract and we will install the MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory CD, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.42 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf. Then give MySQL. Give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. Extraction is completed. ls. See here we have the RPM packages. We have to install them. Control it. Sudo rpm -ivh -no deps. Then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages. And -no deps means no dependencies required. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server version 8.0.42. Okay. See, we have successfully installed Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. MySQL D is the service name. Q to quit. See, MySQL service is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. See, we have successfully started. Verify. See, MySQL service is started 3 seconds ago. Q to quit. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL Server. Okay. To connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of root account. So we can get it from the more/var log mysqld.log grep then password. This file contains temporary password. So we must run this with sudo. This is the temporary password. We have to set the password for root account. So run the command sudo mysql _secure _installation. Copy this one. Paste it. Hit enter. Then set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Change password, no. Remove anonymous users, yes. No. Remove test database and access to it, yes. Reload privileges, yes. See, we have successfully set the password for root account. Control it. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -b. Provide the password of root account that we have set now. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. We can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.0.42. Control L. Now we will create a database. So, databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. We have successfully created. Verify the databases. See, we have created database. Now we will switch to this database and create a table. Use, then provide the new database name. Okay, now verify the list of the tables. Empty set, which means we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. We have successfully created. Verify. See, we have the table. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control A. Now we will see how to create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So users, this won't work. Okay, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, we have these users. Okay, let us create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit is the command to exit from the MySQL server. Okay, MySQL -u, username is David -p. Then provide the password of this user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully logged in with the user David. Okay, now try to access the database. Use bank. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server on RHEL 9. Okay, but the process is same for all RHEL versions. Control L, sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, it is started. Let us stop. Control L, verify. See, MySQL server is stopped. Okay, also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. It is started. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. Go to Git, Control L. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart mysqld. See, MySQL server is started. Okay, Control L. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm star.rpm ls. We have one more file. Remove this one also. rm give MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on RHEL 9. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.